Hey Loretta and Blake, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Loretta. In this quick video, I'm going to give you guys 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Bison Roofing. If you type in Round Rock Roofing, these guys show up right at the top. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to beat them. Now you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you, and it's simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of roofing business owners that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Now, lots of people take this information and just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and say, Devin, can you do this for me? Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today. Content, backlinks, and citations. First off though, whoever designed your website did a fantastic job. It's always a good idea to have pictures of people right at the beginning because it helps with conversion. You've got a call to action to get somebody to request an inspection right away or to give you a call right away, which most people don't even read your website. What they're looking to do is just get an estimate right away. So you're giving that to them. So great job. I love the animations. It's a beautiful looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read. And the average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content. You're currently at 385, so I definitely recommend getting yourself up to 1,500 words. If we look at Bison Roofing, they have 746. So this is great news. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, but also it's going to allow you to fit in more keywords. A keyword is a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So feel free to pause this video. I got these for you so you can fit these all into your content. But things like Round Rock Roofers, 800 people search that every single month. Round Rock Roofer, 800 people. Round Rock Roofing, 700 people. Roofer Round Rock, 700. Roofers Round Rock, it's another 700 people. This is every single month. So if you were number 1 in front of these 5 keywords, that would be 2,100 plus 1,600. That'd be a total of 3,700 people every single month looking for roofing that you would be number 1 in front of. Imagine how that would change your business. It'd be crazy, right? So make sure you fit in keywords like Roofer Round Rock, Roofing Round Rock Roofing inside of your content. Because if I go and I search Round Rock Roofing, you can see you don't have this anywhere on your page. So just make sure you put that kind of stuff inside of your content. Also, you can save your images as keywords. So instead of Blackhill roof logo, this could be called Round Rock Roofing. And you can do that with all your images as you go down. You can save them different keywords. So that's why it's so important to just pause this video and take all these because you can save your different images as different keywords. All right, so that's my first tip for you, Loretta and Blake. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to get a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not selling pizzas. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't need to pay for this. Just Google backlink checker. You could find the same information. It says you have 11 websites linking to you, and Round Rock Roofer only has 17 linking to them. So it's not a big gap. If I were in your shoes, I would copy them because if these 17 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. And so I would go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website the same way they did. A lot of times it's very simple. Like for example, expertise.com, you click get listed, top rated local, you create a free account. And on these types of websites, you just put a link in your profile back to your homepage and you've got a backlink. It's that simple. So it just takes a little bit of time, but if you beat them with content and you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. My last tip is how to show up in the map section. If you want to be number 1 here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yext, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories AR Tech Roofers was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. If AR Tech was in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 300. That's all I've got for you, Loretta and Blake. I hope you guys found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage so you can fit in some keywords like Round Rock Roofers, Roofer Round Rock, stuff like that. Then you want the websites linking to Round Rock Roofer and get them linking back to yourself. Sorry, Bison Roofing is the actual name. And then finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in AR Tech Roofers. And Loretta and Blake, if you guys follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. this is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, I recommend you get started as soon as possible, just because it does take time to implement all this, and the less time you wait, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. If I'm on a call with another client, just leave me a voicemail. I'll get right back to you. Either way, it was great speaking to you. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you have an awesome week. See ya.